how to add voiceover caption in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add voiceover caption in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. Open the YT Create application. After that you will have to select one video. Let me select this one. Now tap on import. And you can see this video is importing. Now guys, you can see that this video is imported. Now if I wanted to add the voiceover caption in this video, so at the end of this list you can see the caption option. So you have to select this caption, and now you can see this option. So you can see this caption will be from the all video, but we want the caption from our voiceover. So just tap right here and you can see the caption voiceover option. So just select this option, and now in this bar you will have to select the language. So you will have to select English, and now you have to tap on generate, and after that this will be generated. So this is how you can easily add voice over caption in YT Create application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.